After we finish the Cube Wizard, we see the results in the Cube Designer. The Cube Designer has many different tabs, several of which we'll explore in this module. The first tab is for working with the cube structure. In the upper left corner, we see the measures that we've added to the cube. By default, the measures appear in a tree view. If we have multiple measure groups in the cube, then we'll see each set of measures organized below the respective measure group. There's a button on the toolbar here that allows us to change our view of the measures to a grid view. In the grid view, we'll see each measure and some of the properties associated with each measure. The benefit of working with the grid view is that we can select multiple measures at one time to configure properties in bulk. In the bottom left corner, we see cube dimensions. Cube dimensions are based upon the database dimensions that we see in Solution Explorer. We explicitly add dimensions to our cube either using the Cube Wizard or by right-clicking on the Dimensions pane here and selecting a command to add a new cube dimension. Cube dimensions inherit all of the properties that are associated with our database dimensions, but have additional properties that we can set to control the behavior of a particular dimension within the current cube. In the center, we have the data source view. Here we can see all of the tables that are associated with our cube. Measure group tables, or fact tables, are represented in this diagram view with a yellow caption, whereas the dimension tables are represented with a blue caption. The data source view is just here to help us visualize the table structures that are involved with our cube. As we select either the cube, a measure group, or a measure in the Measures pane, or even a specific dimension or attribute or hierarchy in the Dimensions pane, we can see the properties related to the selected object in the Properties window in the bottom right corner.